Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discussion topic for the logistic regression in OriginPro. The logistic regression is a widely used for statistical method for modeling binary, multinomial and ordinal outcomes. In biological science, those techniques are essential for analyzing data that involve categorical response variables. For disease diagnostics to ecological studies, logistic regressions help interpret relations between the predictor and outcomes, providing valuable insights into the biological phenomena. We will explore the three types of logistic regressions model: binary, multinomial, and ordinal, their application in biological science. How to choose for your data in the logistic regressions three method: binary, multinomial, and ordinal. The clearly explained for the Blacker post in our Statistics Bio 7 Black. That post link also mentioned the this video description box. Now we analyzed for the binary logistic regression in OriginPro. So the binary logistic regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a binary dependent variable outcome with two possible categories and one or more independent variable predictors. It predicts the probability of the occurrence of one of the two possible outcomes. So the key concept of the binary logistic regressions: the dependent variable binary, example 0 or 1, success or failure, and yes or no. The independent variable continuous or categorical. The goal: estimate the probability that the outcome is 1 based on predictor value. The link functions, logistic functions. So go to the OriginPro software. The data already entered in the OriginPro workspace. This is the data column. The first one for the independent variable for the age and gender, dependent variable for the smoker. The smoker for the yes and non-smoker for the no. The F for the female and M for the male in gender, and the different age category selected for the our study. So now analyzed for the binary logistic regression in OriginPro. So how to analyze in the logistic regressions for the OriginPro? This is app. The how to active this app in the OriginPro. Logistic regression app download link mentioned to the this video description box. Go to the browser and go to our Blacker page. Select for the link and scroll down the page. Select to the download the logistic regression app in the OriginPro. Click to the button. Then open the new tab. Then go to the logistic regression, the OriginPro lab page. The before download the login the website, it is free, and click to the download button. The installation method for the drag and drop into the OriginPro workspace. An icon will appear in the app gallery. So the minimum supported version for the 9.7 in 2020. So I already active for this logistic regression app. So now analyzed for the binary logistic regression in OriginPro. Click to the app, then open the mini window for the logistic regression. First one for the binary logistic regression, then second one for the multinomial logistic regression, and third one for the ordinal logistic regressions. First I selected for the binary logistic regressions. So open the new tab for the binary logistic regressions. Then data input for the dependent variable. So the dependent variable for the smoker is our the data dependent variable. So click to the button and select to the smoker. Then reference even for the no selected automatically. Then continuous, then independent variable for the continuous selected for the age variable. So select the age. Then next one for the categorical variable, select to the gender. So the reference factor level gender, the automatically selected. Then go to for the next one for the setting, then selected for the main effect, then go to the quantitatives, select for the all the checkbox for fit parameter, fit statistics, and also the selected for the all the checkbox in the binary logistic regressions. Then go to the plot menu, the select for the three plot, the histogram and residual plot, normal probability plot, and residual with order the data plot. So the three checkbox selected and the residual type were selected for the regular. Then click to the OK button. Now for analyzed for the data in binary logistic regression in OriginPro. The first one the table for the parameter, the intercept age and gender for the male, the coefficients value, standard error value, and degrees of freedom t-test and significance value also the present in the first one table for the parameter, and the next one table for the statistics in the number of the points for we take the total the 25 persons in the our data, and the degrees of freedom 22, and AAC value, BAC value also present in the statistics table. Then third one for the model test, the likelihood ratio test for the high square value, the degrees of freedom, and high square the significance value in present in the likelihood the table. The goodness of a table, the present for the high square for the Pearson and degrees of freedom and significance value for the Pearson calculations. The Hounsar and the Limso test, the high square value also present in the test, and the classification table. Then observed the smoker yes or no, the total the 12 and the no the 2, and correlated the ratio percentage present in the classification table. The covariation matrix for the present the intercept age and general also the data present. Then next one for the correlation matrix, the table for the intercept age and gender. Then the three different graph present in the binary logistic regression. The first one for the histogram and residuals. So this is for the histogram and residual. Then next one for the probability, normal probability plot of residual present in the second one graph. Then third one for the residual with regular residual in the order. This is for the third one graph, the totally the three plot present in the binary logistic regression, and the interpretation of the table and the graph, how to write the publication format, then published for the another one video. That video link mentioned to the this video description box. If any doubt for the analyzing in the binary logistic regression for OriginPro, leave me the comment in the comment box. I will reply to. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.